In our first lesson we had a look at the importance of viewpoint when composing our painting and the position of the horizon. Today we're going to look at vanishing points and moving vanishing points. Now we looked at people on a level beach. Of course we saw how they were on a flat surface going towards the horizon, so in a way they were like on a path. And we all know how this works, and it gets narrower and narrower until it disappears at the horizon. However, roads don't always stay on nice flat surfaces. So today we're going to look at the way vanishing points shift, sometimes higher, sometimes lower, depending on the way the path will go. Here, for an example, is a painting in which the path obviously goes well above the horizon. So this, of course, can't disappear at the horizon. It's way down here. We're walking along among the hills somewhere. We have a horizon back here. High up in the cliffs, and our road or path that we're walking along is going towards the horizon where it will disappear. However, sooner or later we're going to come across some little hills, and here we are. We've had to change the direction of our path. Now you'll notice that the two lines here are much more parallel than these two, because the disappearing point, or the vanishing point for this path, is going to be way up here in the clouds, because we're at right angles to the path. Straight ahead here, if the path is going up, the vanishing point has also gone up. Let's continue this path a little further. Okay, so here it goes in the distance, again reasonably parallel, coming up over the hill here. So you'll notice when our path goes upwards, it becomes a little more parallel because the vanishing point is now up in the clouds. We'll now look at the situation where the road is going down into a valley or something like that. So we'll have a reasonably high horizon line up here. This will be some water and some banks leading down to a valley there. Okay, so our road, here we go. Now you'll notice as I do this road that it won't meet at the horizon. It's going to be lower than the horizon, and I can turn it even down further. So as it continues to go down, the vanishing point gets lower, and we'll have it disappearing around the corner here actually. Saves us going the whole way down to the bottom. Okay, so in this picture our road travels downwards into the valley where we're going to meet the beach. You'll notice in this one that the angles are getting narrow quite quickly. Remember when it went up a hill, they didn't go up so quickly because the vanishing point was up in the clouds. In this case they're going down more quickly because the vanishing point is lower. Right, so we look at the road disappearing to the vanishing point out here. It gets narrower and narrower. It means that we're going down the hill. future ones we'll continue to look at the idea of perspective and vanishing points and horizons and how it affects different things such as buildings, which are much more sort of technical. If you found this useful, please subscribe and you'll be notified when each month when new lessons come up. Thank you.